We talk about deadbeat, baby mama, deadbeat, baby daddies, cheaters. We like the love and hip hop of the suburbs.
On your podcast, you keep it real.
I try, and she not doing that right now because she know good and well she should not be suing me.
So I have decided to call an expert in this case because I'm trying to get more of an understanding of the business relationship between the two of you, because that's going to be very important in my ruling on your case. Okay. So at this time, I'd like to call a podcast expert, Daniella Cracknell. Daniella, how are you?
Hey, Danielle.
Hi there, Judge.
Can you tell me a little bit about your credentials as a podcast expert?
I have 25 years in the media business, working with legendary and iconic TV personalities. I book leading experts on podcasts all the time.
So how popular are podcasts? Like, how many podcasts are there out there?
Well, I've lost count. Everyone thinks they can be a successful money-making podcast, and that's not true.
If someone wants to have a successful podcast, how do they start a podcast?
You know, when we're talking about $1,500 in dispute here, $1,500 is 1 month to hire someone like me to help you build an audience. It takes 6 to 9 months to build an audience. If you have an audience, then you can make money. So what I ask is, does the podcast have an audience? How many people are tuning in and listening on a regular basis?
Denisha and Kimberly said that the name of their podcast is What's the Topic? And it sounds like they talk about a whole array of topics, things dealing with families and keeping it real. And what do you think about that type of a podcast?
Well, I think they need to answer what makes you unique, interesting, exciting, makes you newsworthy, and why am I going to tune into your podcast every day? What am I going to get from it by listening to you? Who are you that's going to make me want to follow you? And you have to answer the why for that audience to tune in and remain a follower. It's similar to if you want to start a nonprofit, which these ladies seem to be wanting to do with their concert. There are 1.4 million nonprofits out there asking for charitable dollars to come to them. The ones who are winning at it are the ones who can answer, why me? I'm so unique that you can't put your dollars into any other product than the one I have selling to you right now. And if they can't answer that, you know, it's a very hard sell.
Well, Daniella, thank you so much. You've been very helpful and you are excused.
Judge Rhonda's verdict is next.